welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon if you enjoy watching this video. So today's video is gonna be nail extension at home in just 15 rupees. God, it's not even 15 rupees, it's like just in 12 rupees. I bought this nail. I bought this false nails from Flipkart. It is also available on Amazon. It's not more than 200 rupees. I think it's around 260 or 70. I'll just drop the link of in the description box for this product. And for 250 or 60 rupees, you get like 100 piece of nail sets in different 10 sizes. So these nails are like, they are in 10 different sizes, which comes from fat nails to thin nails. Like all the nail sizes can, like any of you, like you guys will be having, broad nails, short nails, thin nails, and then there comes the long nails. Like no matter what the shape is of your nails, you are gonna get the apt size for your nails. Even if you don't do, all you need is just one filer. I did not have any filer. What I used this thing from my nail cutter just to file it down. If you don't get the apt size for it, I just file it down with this nail cutter and voila. So these nails are so easy, like going to the parlor and spending like 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees or maybe more than that, or sometimes less than that, but at least it costs more than 1,500 getting nail extension in parlor. Of course it lasts for quite long, and this one lasts depending upon you, but maximum it goes to 2 days, and from 2 days to, from my personal experience, I have these nails lasted in my hand for like 12 days, 12 to 13 days, which is quite good, right? 12 rupees and then 12 days, isn't it great? This is amazing. This deal is a steal. So you get this, this strips also free, just in case you want to do some nail art kind of thing. Well, I'm personally not a nail art kind of girl. I just love going like this, so I don't do all that. And my nail color is different, but when I will be doing this, you're gonna notice the change in my nails. So this product I will be using, in entire thing you will be seeing in the video. So all you need for this is this, like this set of nails, and along with this nail polish. Like this is superb, this is amazing. This is a matte nail polish from Reliance Trends. I bought this. You can get matte nail polish from anywhere if you like this color. So I'll also link down the shade name and everything. You can take the screenshot of it. And you need one nail cutter, of course, which I showed you right now, and one hand sanitizer just in case there's any dirt particle lying inside your nails, so you can just remove it. So what you need to do is get your hands manicured at home, parlor, wherever is possible for you. And what basically manicure means, cleaning your nails and then filing it properly, and last but not the least, little bit of scribble on your cuticles. That's all. Just push your cuticles back and then voila, you are ready to go. So if you guys, now I'm gonna start the video. So if you guys enjoy watching this video, please make sure to hit the like button, to comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Alicia. So also do not forget to press the bell icon, just in case I upload any of my video and you don't miss it. And be the comment good or bad, anything, just drop your comments down there. I'm ready. I'm really ready for everything, negativity, positivity, everything, because everything is gonna improve me. And this hand sanitizer, what these things are gonna do, you will come to know now, just now. So hand sanitizer, I want to tell you few pros and cons of these nails. Like, of course there are tons of pros for these nails, but there is 2-3 cons that you have to keep in mind. First pro is, this looks amazing on your hand and you can just shape it up, and these are available in different variety, different shapes. Like you can just get whatever desired size you want, shape you want, it's in your hand. First. Second best part is the nail polish. Whatever the nail paint you apply on this, no matter how long these nails last in your hand, this does last till the end. It doesn't get chipped off. Like you see this nail polish, like this nail I just removed it. I was about to remove these nails just in case, because I was about to get my nail thing done, so I was removing it. I just removed one. I will also upload the removal video, but that will make this video too long, so this is for now. And another pro is the third pro, which is most important. It is cheap, it is available everywhere, and you can just paste it. Even if you don't have the glue which you get free with this product is this one. If you see here, this one. Even if this is not available with you, you can just use one Fevikwik and you're ready to go. So third pro, And fourth pro is like, they're amazing. They look beautiful, stunning, and they're super comfortable on you. But first day you might have a little bit of pain and uneasiness on your nails. If you're doing this for the first time, just don't get worried about that. And there are two cones now. These 4 toes, and then there comes 2 cones about it. First cone, when they start getting off from your nail, they basically generally start from this corner. From this corner means whenever you play with your hair like this, see, it just gets stuck. It just gets stuck. Of course, you're not getting it from parlor done. This is just cheap solution. Then of course you need some care. First cone, and the second cone is, if you don't shape it properly and if you don't use the right size, then it might ache. So make sure that you file it up properly so you get the best shape. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video.